Hey guys, it's Steve at Mountaintop Motor Company here to show you our beautiful 2014 Ford Mustang GT. This is a beautiful car, has a great sound to it. Of course, the sound's coming from that Roush exhaust system. But as you can see, it's just beautiful. Clean, accident-free Carfax as well. Let's take a look under the hood. As you know, the 5.0 powers this beautiful car. Really, everything's stock on here besides the air filter. You got the BBK air intake. Let's have a look on the inside now. Everything in here is really pretty much all what you would expect in the Mustang GT. It is a 6-speed manual, so it's real fun just to go through your own gears. Has navigation and CD player, backup camera. The interior is in great shape. As you can see in the back seat, everything looks great back here. Also up here in the front, I forgot to mention, it has the Recaro racing seats, so real nice, has the high back on it. So come check this beauty out for yourself. We're at 617 John Deere Drive. We'll see you soon.